Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to deassemble Philips multi-groom trimmer. There are only 3 steps to deassemble the Philips multi-grooming trimmer. The very first step is to remove the back part. This is the very easy and best step to remove your back part of the trimmer. Very simple thing. It is now open, so the very first step is completed. Now the second and most tricky step is this particular part. This is the only part. If you remove this part, then the whole trimmer is very easily openable. There are 2 knobs, that is with the black color inside this area. So please remove or please open that knob carefully. A very simple way, just try to check the tricks by which you can easily open it. You can see it is opening, and as soon as it gets open, using just a trick, it will be open. So that's it. The second most tricky step has been over. Now to remove this particular silver metal or silver plastic frame, that you just open the knobs and it will be open the particular part. There is no need to open this buttons part, that is on and off or turbo button, so let it be. And the last one is to remove this transparent part. So again, there are some knobs. You just open it using your screwdriver and it will give you the access of the inside circuit. It is very tight because it is a waterproof kind of thing. So just take care while opening it, otherwise it will be broken. So now you can see the circuit is in your hand. Now if you wish, you can open it, you can remove the batteries, you can do whatever you want with your circuit. Now if you want to remove the battery, then this is the fourth step, the white color part. Just try to remove it with this way. You can easily remove the battery and you can clean your particular trimmer also. So friends, you can easily see that there are only 3 to 4 steps by which you can easily open the Philips multi-grooming trimmer.